Hi, welcome to Hardware is the Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me TCL 406, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. So the first aspect you need to understand is while you filling up your internal storage over the 70%, your device is starting to slowing down. So I suggest you never fill up internal storage over the 70% full. So to check it, open settings, scroll down and find here storage. And as you can see, I have used 29 gigabytes of 32 and it's over the 70%. So I need to remove some apps or something from my device. As you can see, I have several games. I have here Asphalt game. I need to remove it. And I have here Firefox browser. I don't need this browser on my device. And maybe that's it. So let's find this game and remove. Asphalt, uninstall. Okay. Asphalt Nitro. Okay. And Firefox. Remove it. So, great. Now, as you can see, I have freed the space in my device. I need to reboot this page. I have free space in my device, but it is not updated. I need to reboot my device to update it. So now I have over the 30% free on my device, and now my device will be faster. Of course, the winner is one who invests in a device with a more temporary storage, and because as you can see, our system is consuming the half of all space we have, and it's a really bad situation. Okay. So, the next aspect we need to understand is the RAM. So all processes are running, at the moment they are running RAM. So I suggest you not to fill your internal storage, not to fill your RAM storage with applications like WhatsApp, Messenger, and other messenger applications like Facebooks, I don't know, maybe Signal, because all of these applications are consuming your RAM. They are sitting in the background and updating their data, so you can disable the updating in the background or just use one or max two applications that are working in the background on your device. Okay, but the best idea is to open from time to time. I suggest to do it after you closing any application. I suggest to do it. So you have opened settings and now you want to exit it, then swipe up and remove it from your RAM, or just click clear all. So using this instruction you can have your device always in good condition. Okay. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.